Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today I am back in Las Vegas. I am in downtown Las Vegas this time at the foot of Fremont Street, the Fremont Street Experience, to check out the Plaza Hotel and Casino. So many changes have taken place at the Plaza, especially in the past year, but there's always changes going on here at the Plaza Hotel and Casino. Under the direction of Jonathan Jossel, the CEO, this place is constantly reinventing itself while keeping its old charm. Let's check out what's new here on the outside in front of the plaza, and then we'll head inside and see what's going on there as well. Believe it or not, just a year ago, this was a parking lot and a pickup and drop-off area for the plaza. And now they have this beautiful Carousel bar, which really is a focal point as you get near the end of Fremont Street, where the plaza is the focal point. This pink box donut is brand new, as well as a smoke-free casino area right up front here at the entrance of the plaza. The famous Oscar's Steakhouse, famous for their steaks here in Las Vegas, was moved from above the Carousel bar, where it was for years, a little bit to the right if you're facing the plaza. Oscar's now has indoor and outdoor dining. And above the Carousel bar, where Oscar's used to be years ago when this place was built, the swimming pool. You'll see the pool area near the end of the video here. So besides Oscar's Steakhouse and Pink Box Donuts, there's a Hash House A-Go-Go here, a pop-up pizza, a Aloha Hawaiian Grill, a Fresh Mexican Grill, and this food court. This door here in the food court actually leads to the smoke-free casino area. However, you can't enter the smoke-free casino area through this door. You can only exit into the food court from the smoke-free casino area. Kind of weird layout, but you have to go outside to enter the smoke-free casino. The plaza currently has 995 rooms and suites, as well as a 8,000 square foot casino and more than 25,000 square feet of event space. The plaza also features a showroom, a rooftop swimming pool, fitness center, bingo room, and a race and sports book as well. Some of the places we're passing tonight are closed. I visited here late at night. I don't remember exactly what time, but it was quite late in the evening, or early in the morning, I should say. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Don't forget, click on that thanks button, get a shout out on an upcoming video. Speaking of which, a shout out to Richard Santee, who left a generous super thanks on my latest Las Vegas video, the Orleans Hotel and Casino. Thank you so much, Richard Santee. I appreciate your support of the New York channel. This is the Sand Dollar, a nightclub here at the Plaza Hotel and Casino. Really good live entertainment, really dark. By the way, stay tuned, lots more videos coming from downtown Las Vegas, the hotels and casinos of downtown Las Vegas. They're, of course, smaller than the ones on the Strip, but they are jam-packed with a lot of history and a lot of just old school Las Vegas vibes. So, and of course, they're all located on the Fremont Street Experience, so something to look forward to.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Upstairs here is the old entrance to Oscar's Steakhouse, as well as a showcase full of old plaza memorabilia. The wedding chapel's also up here, the executive offices, and a huge bingo hall, one of the only bingo halls in downtown Las Vegas.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.